Good morning, kinders and families. I've got my royal pride on. I am looking at today's lesson. So when you click into our distance learning board, make sure that you pop up here and listen to Miss Sampson's daily announcements. And then the next easiest thing to do is just click the date, go to the bookmarks page, and here we are. So it's Fun Friday. We decided that for Fridays we do makerspace activities, and we picked making paper airplanes. So there are directions, there's a QR code, some ideas for the kids. I hope you guys as a family can have a lot of fun with it. For language arts today, it's listening to the Cloud book and then using pictures to determine word meanings. And you can share what you've learned on Seesaw if you'd like. Phonics is just a review day today. Reading fluency, remember you can pick from any of the apps or your own reading collection, and then ball word practice. Writing today is Easy Write. We like to just throw that in on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and the kids can pick what letters they're practicing, and they can do it on whiteboards or chalkboards or sidewalk chalk outside, pen and paper, highlighters, whatever you have at your house for fun to practice letter formation. And then our journal entry for today is, if you were going on an adventure with your best friend, where would you go and what would you do? And then finally, in our science, social, and health block, there is the Windy Day book, and we connected it with our makerspace. Um, and you can either make a kite or fly a paper airplane, and there is a kite video. Again, these are optional, but they're for fun. So I hope you enjoyed today's activities. Watch for the Flipgrid. I've got a fun question for the kids to ask. I hope everybody has a fantastic Friday, a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday. Miss you.